Okay, welcome back. This is Motek. I'm Noel Moses Modende. In our program number 16, we are going to learn about switch case. In a switch case, only a selected block of code or case is going to be executed. This saves time compared to the nested if else, which check one condition after another. So as shown or as looked from our figure 31, this is a piece of code which we're supposed to write on our compiler, and figure 32 shows how our output should look on console. So it is like question and answers. So we should write this program to the compiler. So let's go and open our compiler. Control N for creating new file in Dev C++. I'm using Dev C++. Hash include iostream. Hash include iostream using namespace space std, then int main. Here put a comment, switch case program in C++. So declare your variable which will be controlling, or which will be as selected case, or which will be going to the block of code after making selection. So char selection is the variable which will be carrying your selection, put semicolon, then cout, send a message to the screen or send a message to the user. Migos, I like Migos. Migos US United States hip hop group, hip hop group has three members. Then end line. Yeah, it's true. There are three members in Migos. Quavo, offset and takeoff. Cout, select Q for Quavo. If you like Quavo, you should select Q, comma, select T for takeoff. If you like takeoff, you should select T, or select O for offset. This is husband of Cardi B. Then end line. Cin lead selection entered by user using keyboard. So switch, start your switch case, put variable holding selection from user, switch selection, put your code. So case Q, as we said, you should select Q if you like Maniga Quavo. So send the output or message to the screen. Wow, Quavo Kwa hivyo is the slow motion lapper. Slow motion lapper. Yeah, this is true. Kwa hivyo is lapping slow. So break. So another case is for takeoff. So if selection or if user will select T below in the code to execute for takeoff. Yeah, for takeoff. Wow, takeoff is wise lapper. Yeah, wow. Takeoff is wise rapper. It is true. Takeoff is wise man among Migos group members. So after that a break, then case O for offset, Cardi B husband. Okay, see out. Wow. Offset is cruel rapper. As you can see, dancing dancing style of Offset shows his cruel rapper. So here we put default. So if user will put selection which is not defined, so default block or default piece of code should be executed. Default case out. This is the default to be executed. Yeah, so say wrong choice, select again, prompt a user to select again, and then put a semicolon. Yeah, that is the end of our program. Switch case. So return is 0, put a semicolon, that is over. So I hope everything is right. Let us see from our book how we should save a program. A program should be saved as switch case dot c double p. So compile it, save it as switch, save it as switch case c double p. Yeah. As you can see, our program is free of errors and warning. So compile and run it. As you can see, Migos US hip hop group has 3 members. Select Q for if you write Quavo, T for takeoff, or O for offset. To be honest, I appreciate Maniga Quavo, so my selection is Q. Wow, Quavo is the slow motion lapper. That is the output from the console. So let us compare our output from the book to that output from the console. Do they look similar? If they look similar, we are right. So if you can see output from the console and output from our book, they are looking similar. So that is the end of our program number 16. So if you don't have this book, look at the bottom of this video There is a link, you can download it or you can read. I advise you when doing this practice about this C++ video series, make sure you have book, you have our videos, and if possible, you have all our source code uploaded at GitHub account on the Bimotech. Thank you. That is the end of program 16. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Motech. I'm Noel Moses Modende. Thank you. See you next video.